Hey guys, it's Shadei, and today is actually the night before graduation because I graduate in the morning, which is really exciting, and it still kind of feels like unreal to me. But I decided I wanted to just do a quick vlog of me decorating my cap because that's the last thing that I have to do, and I just haven't had time to do it because like the last few days have been really crazy. My family's here, my sister's flown in, my mom's here now, she flew in, and we celebrated Mother's Day, and now we're getting ready for tomorrow, which is a really big day, and I have to be at school by 8, so I'm probably gonna get up around like 5 or something like that. And yeah, it should be exciting and interesting. I am going to decorate my cap now. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm still trying to like look on Pinterest for some examples, but going to show you guys the things that I have so far. So this is my cap, the regular like black boring cap, you know, and I got this like glitter paper. Well, it's actually like glitter foam board. This is what it looks like. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to cut a hole in it so that I can put this on top. And I got these glitter letters that I'm going to put on top of them. I got a glue gun, and I got this, which I'm going to use to put like on the edges of the cap. And I got these gemstones that I'm also going to glue like somewhere, which I think is going to be cute. So it's basically going to be like black and silver. Yeah, so if you are making your own cap gown and you have no idea, that's basically what you need: some type of letters or a stencil to make your own letters, and some, well, you don't have to use glitter paper, but I just didn't want to put it directly on it. And this isn't the actual paper because they were sold out of the black glitter paper at Hobby Lobby because everybody's doing this this time of year. But I'm using foam, which is really light, and I'm going to glue everything on with this glue gun, which I will plug in a little bit. And I am still looking on Pinterest for some DIY graduation cap ideas, and I want it to be like a scripture, and so hopefully I can find some inspiration to do something that is really cute and easy because I'm tired and I'm ready to go to sleep. Well, I almost forgot to film again, so I think this is the scripture I'm going to use. It is for "I know the plans I have for you." I'm not gonna have room to write this Jeremiah 29:11, but I'm gonna try to put like class of 18 somewhere, even if it's just 1-8. And so I think that's basically what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to basically keep recording so that you guys can see what I'm doing.
Grand glory, hallelujah. I shouldn't be where I am today for not living in my will, son. Time hangs cast away. Yeah, truth be told, I'm just glad to be alive. My new rap name is Okada, 6 stars out of 5. What's up?
Okay guys, so I am basically all done with my hat. So it says, for "I know the plans I have for you," and this was a struggle, I am so not gonna lie, but yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure that they are sticking correctly. These are the little like rhinestone like flowers that I'm using to like decorate and like accent the cap basically, as you guys can see like right here, and they're really cute. They go really well with silver. And I put it on another part, and this is just a stick on like ribbon kind of thing, and it basically sticked right on. I didn't have to use the glue, luckily. I did not for this part, but I did staple on the letters, on some of like these first few letters, because I was having issues with the glue, and luckily that is holding these. And I did run out of staples, so I couldn't do it for the whole thing. But as you guys can see, since I use silver letters, like it doesn't really show there's a staple. I mean, you can see it, but from far away that's not going to show. Like you can barely see it now. So that is a good option also for people if you don't have a glue gun. Just use a stapler, especially if you're doing like silver letters.